Hi, my name is Virma. During a 3 hours meditation, I've been given a warning from Mother Earth. I've been told that my house, the house of my friends and family, will be spared if I give this message. The following are a warning for all of humanity from Mother Earth. Everything in this planet is ruled by emotions. I feel love for all of my creatures, and I feel sad and angry. Right now, I am very angry. You can walk through the woods and find garbage everywhere. The rivers, lakes, and oceans are full of plastic. The animals in the oceans are dying because of plastic pollution. And never in history of humanity has there been so much plastic that is causing animals to go extinct. Like the humans, I am a soul and the planet is my body. How will you like it if I throw dirt on you and you can't clean it up? You have thrown trash all over my body. You have assigned specific places to dump your trash, and it needs to be thrown there. Stop throwing trash out of your cars. Then I remembered the other day, there was a lot of trash on the side of the road. I stopped and I picked it up. I turned around, I went back to my car, I sat down, and after 2 minutes, I looked and there was a crow there messing with the trash. There was trash everywhere again. And I said, "Get out of here, get out of here." I picked up the trash again and I put it inside a trash can and I covered it. Mother Earth continued. Do you remember that? Do you remember the mess that he made and you went back and you picked it up? Humans will continue to throw trash even after you have picked it up, but you must pick it up anyway. Tell the humans to pick up their mess. I am so angry I can blow my top, and I can blow the tops of volcanoes and send tsunami their way. Let them know they have 5 years to clean the plastic out of the ocean. Stop poisoning the land with insecticide and stop deforestation. It is right now 2023, and I've been sending warning shots with hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and flooding. In 2028, I will declare war on humanity. And I said, Mother Earth, why do you want to kill us? Why are you declaring war on us? And then she said, when you have thrown so much plastic into the ocean that is making animals go extinct, don't you think that's declaring war on me? When you have killed billions of microorganisms in the land with pesticide, don't you think that's declaring war on me? You have declared war on me first, and I will no longer stand by and let you do this. I will protect the animals. You have until 2028. I don't want to do this. I hope it doesn't come to pass, but it's up to you. I go through stages, and it takes thousands of years in between. I call this the growing pain. When this happens, the earth moves and breaks apart. You will experience a reset. I am not due for a reset for many thousands of years, but in 2028, if you don't fix this, I will do a reset. She gave me her transparent hand and said, make a video, warn the humans, let them know I will protect you, your friends, and family homes. Buy solar panels and save your seas. I control where the wind goes, and where you will be living, there will be so many tornadoes that the power grid will go down. Florida hurricanes will be more powerful than ever with major flooding. There will be nowhere to hide. It's coming from the east, west, south, and north. Georgia will experience major tornadoes and power is going down. In the north, there will be relentless ice storms. The Caribbean will experience major category hurricanes and flooding. Central America will have volcanoes going off, storms, earthquakes, and flooding. The only people that I will not attack are the native people that live with the land and protect me. Whomever listened to this message is responsible for doing something about it. I feel each one of your energies and know your intentions. I hold you accountable to do something about it because no help is coming. Every country will be overwhelmed, dealing with their own tragedy. I'm just a messenger. My house and those of my families and friends will be protected now. It is up to you to protect your home. You have listened to the message. Now it is up to you to do something about it and prevent what's coming in 2028. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.